So this flavored gizzard recipe, I always prepare at parties and at home. So tender, so crispy, and so flavorful. You are welcome to this channel, Yummy. I'm Yummy Cash, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in this video, I am sharing with you how I make my tender, best, yummylicious, mouth-watering fried chicken gizzard. And I know you will enjoy it and you are going to try your hands on at home. So first things first, you would need, of course, your gizzard and then clean it very well. So with mine, I clean with I cleaned with vinegar. Yes, I washed my gizzards with vinegar and then make sure to drain all the excess water out from it by using a paper towel. Next is to blend my ginger, garlic, and onions, and preferably it is best to blend it without water. The next thing is to break in one large egg, and if you want it spicy or hot, you can add powdered pepper to it. So when you're done adding all these ingredients to it, make sure you wear gloves. Rub in, mix everything, and then cover it with a cling rubber. Set it aside for 30 to 40 minutes, or even until you can just pop it in the refrigerator and then keep it overnight, which is very good. When it is well marinated, bring it out, and as you can see, there is excess water again. Just take your spoon and then take all the water out from it, because we don't need water in this recipe. When you're done taking everything or the water out from the gizzard, add in your cornstarch. So in the absence of cornstarch, mine got finished. I went ahead to add potato starch. So if you don't have cornstarch at home, you can use potato starch. If you're in Germany, it is called Kartoffelmehl. Yes. So when you don't have Kartoffelmehl or starch at home, you can also use flour to do it. So here you can add a lot of flour to completely coat the gizzard, but I want a tender, crispy gizzard. So when you're done with it, heat your oil in a large saucepan and make sure it is hot. When it's hot, take gizzard and drop it in the hot oil, one after the other, and make sure to fry your gizzard in batches. Yummy cat. Fry till it's golden brown. So here I'm done frying my first batch. I will then go ahead and start dropping in my second batch and fry also till it's golden brown. So do you know I love you more today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow? Hey. Stay unique, stay blessed, and if no one has told you you're beautiful today, I want to be the first person to tell you you are beautiful, you are unique. Stay unique and stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like icon, and also feel free to share WhatsApp your friends. Share. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay unique, and stay safe. Juice.